So in today's video, I'm going to be installing an aFe cold air intake system on my 87 Comanche. It comes with a reusable filter, and I got a restorating kit to re-oil it. The filter comes pre-oiled from the factory, so you don't have to oil it when you get it, but you will later to clean it. This is the filter itself. I can't remember which one I got, but I got the blue filter. Looks pretty clean. It's got some discount codes in there for some more power systems. Stuff like the cleaning kit and everything. Discount codes for all that if you need more of that. Plus a sticker on the bottom. It's pretty cool. Next, it has the instruction kit with it. Piping. Small piping. A long piece that should connect the filter to the 90-degree piece. A cool license plate cover that says aFe Power on it. 3 stickers. And a little card back here. And another sticker. Then the heat shield itself. Then the hardware that you will need to install the kit. So this engine's out of a 97 Cherokee. So this kit is for 91 through 99 XJs or MJs. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off all the clips. There's one there. I had to have help with a screwdriver from that one. There's one here. You should just be able to pop them off like that. One there. You might need help with some of these with the screwdriver. Yeah, I'm gonna need help with the screwdriver. Alright, so give me a second, I'll be back. So once you've got all the clips off of the top part of the intake, you can take it off. But what you want to do first is take off the little thing right here. Mine are from this side and this side, and go to a T-joint and come down here into this. Just take this off like so. Then there will be another one back here, and just get this one off like so. Then there will be a clamp back here for the air filter, keeping it in place. So what you want to do is remove this, and you want to remove it by taking this, pulling back on it, taking this little thing here, and just pushing the little black thing right here, and it's loosened. Just wiggle it off. And there's the top part of the intake off. Next, you're going to want to take this old filter, then you need to remove this end piece right here. So let me remove this and I'll get back to y'all. So once y'all have gotten the little pipe piece here, that over there, once y'all have gotten that removed, take out the original filter box, bottom piece right there. If y'all have the hardware, the bolts, keep those, because when you put this in, you're going to need to use those bolts here, and the one nut there. We did not have any. My truck did not come with any hardware to hold in the air box. So we found some nuts laying around, some screws laying around, and they fit perfectly fine. Some bolts are. We'll get a bolt for that, or not for that. Then back here there was a little bolt you could put back here for the ECU, but ours, where it's an 87, does not have that. So right now it's going to be held in by those 2 bolts. Your case should be a 12mm. So let me get Let me tighten these down and I'll get back to y'all. So once y'all get that installed, by the way, the holes for them are under there. Those little bolts right there, right there. Once y'all get that installed, what you're gonna want to do, take this piece right here, the rubber hose and rubber piping right here, and hook it up to that. Just give me a second to show you. So the piece y'all need will look like this, and it'll just, you need to fit it into this little hole on the piece like this. Fit it in there. Let me get this fit in there and show y'all. Y'all get installed like this. And it should just look just like this. Then take this piece and put it in right here through the hole. Just give me a second to do this and I'll get back with y'all. So once y'all get it mounted like this in here, and it should just slide over it like that. Twist it. Keep on twisting it like that to get it fully in there. At least that's what I had to do. Take the new piece of piping like this and fit it on the end of it right here. Let me get this fitted and I'll get back to y'all. So after a while of trying, just muscling it on there, you just have to kind of just push it on there and it'll go. Then next thing you need to do is get this little thing, and it was out of this bag, but this is the hardware for it. And what you want to do is just slide it in here, and you can take it and adjust it when you need to. But what you want to do is, so there are two different washers. There is a flat washer, looks like that. Then there is a wavy washer that's a little bit wavy like that. It's a lot smaller. So what you'll want to do is first take the flat washer and put the flat washer on there first. Then, if you've got that on there, hold it in place. Then get the wavy washer, put that on there, like that. Then take the nut and screw it in here. Once y'all get it into place like that, don't tighten it fully. Just get it on there so that it's like completely loose and it won't fall off. Then once y'all get that in place, you can just set this aside. Then you'll want to take this piece. Then y'all are going to want to install this onto the throttle body right here by using two clamps and stuff that came with it. Let me get this installed and I'll show y'all what it looks like on the truck and what y'all should do. So once y'all get that installed, it should look just like that. Then take this piece that y'all put together a little bit ago. Then install this piece in here, just like that. Take this and try and fit it in there. Then take this, just kind of leave it there. The next thing I want to do is take this and just connect it to the crankcase right here, just like that. And then once y'all get that done, put a flat, then wavy, then nut on the end of this. Let me get this installed and get back to y'all. So after y'all get this installed here, you can start tightening down everything. Tighten down this with a 10mm, and I took a flathead screwdriver. You can just put it down there and tighten these down. And make sure down here in the place you're gonna put in your filter, make sure it's clean so nothing gets on the filter right when you start it up. I had a little bit of trouble to get this on here because this is a 1/2 inch and this is a 5/8. So the original one was a 5/8 hose, So we took it and soaked it in hot water, and you just kind of have to mash it on there real good, and it'll, now it's cold and it'll stay on there pretty good. Try and get something better, but for right now, that works. We might end up putting the little filters, you know, right here, putting this on that one and that one. Now the last step, all you have to do is to install the filter. Get the filter out of the box, and there's a clamp inside here, you can see it. And let me get this installed and I'll show y'all. So once y'all get it installed, it should all look like this, put together. Clamp there, clamp there, clamp there, filter, pipes. Just make sure the area is clean. This is still a little bit loose, but that's just on my part. We need to get another bolt for down there, or nut for down there. It should sound a lot better, and it should run better now. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little sound test. Just give me a second to get it set up and I'll be right back. This is an after installation startup. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. One side note is that I forgot to tell y'all, but this is going to come in the box as well, and I didn't install it. Just a little rubber matting that goes over the top of it. If you want to install it, you can. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, just a little rubber matting, it'll help it.